and welcome to a video tutorial for resellers on how to assign IX ports to end customers. We are going to start here in IX portal, where you can see which of your ports are available for assignment. To see them, click My Port Traffic and select My Ports. Now, in this table, you can see all your ports in all locations. Those ports that are available for assignment are shown here with the unassigned status. Let's say we want to assign this particular port, HK1IX02. As you can see, this port is in IBX HK4. So we now need to switch to Equinix customer portal to make the assignment. The easiest way to do so is to click this icon on the side panel, Customers, which will get us directly to the administration and reseller customer management function. Now, I see a list of different accounts that I have. I can filter by location, so I'm going to select HK4, the IBX where my port is located. Now I see that I have this account in this HK4 IBX. I can expand here and see the list of customers that are already predefined for this IBX. So this is actually the prerequisite, that you need to have some customers already defined and also some users for those customers. So if you don't have them yet, you can go to here and create the customers, and then here create users for those customers. But let's now try to do the assignment to one of the existing customers. Let's say we select this first one on the list, end customer HK1. So I'm clicking the three dots icon and selecting Manage Assets. And now I click Assign Internet Exchange Port. This is the port assignment page. As you can see, we are here in the context of the previously selected end customer HK1 and the previously selected IBX HK4. So these two cannot be changed from here. Now, what I see here is the list of my ports in this IBX. As you can see, one of those ports is already assigned to the end customer HK2. But the one that I wanted to assign is available for the assignment. So all I need to do is to just select this checkbox next to the port and click Submit and confirm the operation. Okay, I got the positive confirmation that the port has been assigned. Now, it may take up to a few minutes until this information propagates through the systems and becomes visible in IX portal. So let's just wait a few minutes. Okay, a few minutes have already passed, so let's check in the IX portal. For this, I'm clicking the IX portal icon on the sidebar and selecting My Ports. All right, so we can see that our port HK1IX02 has been successfully assigned to this end customer. This means that the end customer should now be able to log into the IX portal and see the port. For the end customer, the assignment field will show that the port is assigned by you as the reseller. And that is all what I wanted to show. Thank you for watching.